tare. Deci să știți că, wow, de el este imposibil, adică nu stăm aici. Hai să punem asta aici, iar filme ici. Adică imposibil. Da, voilà. Ah, merci. Deci să știți că nu o să vorbim singur, că nu e amuzant deloc pentru noi. Deci el a venit, nu știu, 2000 de kilometri până în România, pentru că este și interesat la ce ați de spus despre filmul ăsta, ce legătură ați făcut în capul vostru, adică asta îl interesează. Știi că ça s'intéressait par entendre ce qu'il doit dire.
Oui.
Oui. Surtout.
Non, aussi.
Nu. Deci, pentru că, nu știu, e o formă foarte, hai să spunem, diferită de pildă filmul de deschidere. E un film care, da, are încredere în voi ca public. Care, el a decis de la început că sunteți inteligenți. Și deci, și asta, adică asta îmi place mult în filmul ăsta, este că a decis de la început să nu facă un film cu imaginile pe care le vedem în fiecare ziua la televiziune despre subiectele acestea, dar să face un film care sugerează asta și în care noi, după fiecare dintre noi, ne raportăm cu asta, cu poveștile noastre și de unde venim. Deci de asta el este super interesant. Dacă aveți ceva de spus, nu neapărat o întrebare, dar dacă este o întrebare, vă rugăm. Și voi din juriu. Nu? Hai, curaj!
Question en français. Comment avez-vous fait pour obtenir toutes ces bandes de vidéosurveillance? Est-ce que c'est payant? Est-ce que c'est gratuit? Combien de bandes vous avez récupérées au total? Quelle a été votre méthodologie par rapport à cette question technique?
Ouais.
Tu peux rester là, puis moi je deci cum ați lucrat la asta, de fapt, dar cum ați lucrat la asta, cum ați recuperat imaginile acestea, care a fost metodologia voastră de muncă? Cât a costat?
In English? Or I try. Everyone speak English? I speak bad English, French English. It's okay for you? This CCTV is not the real term because there is a lot of camera surveillance or webcam. There is two statues. There is a public statue and a private statue. And there is a lot of site in English, website. You can see this webcam in direct, live. Anybody, there is a platform, you can see 100 camera, 100 camera if you want. There's a lot of web everywhere in the world, yeah. There's 2-3 websites like this. And generally this webcam is for tourism. There is a lot of webcam, it's particular because it's the Mediterranean, but it's a webcam for the surfer. You know, the make the surfer, but there's no surfing in the Mediterranean. There is a webcam of Pétanque, justement, association. All of the association who want to make a promotion of country, area, all of this. And after I make 1 year to see this webcam, and I take 1 year, and I record my computer because it's alive. Donc it's live, yeah, online. Okay, I just record my computer, and yes, en les regardant when I looking it, and it's what for my son go in my office, and we say, well, what are you doing? I looking this camera. Look, it's live webcam. After it's very difficult because I want to dès le début, I want all the seasons of the because we know the beach on summer, but it's beautiful in January, February. There is a lot of light difference, and I want you to show all the seasons, and it's horrible for a filmmaker because I've got I record 300 heures de rush.
300 hours of rushes.
Yes, and my method is when I see quand j'enregistre.
When I tape.
C'est que j'avais un livre comme ce qu'on fait dans le cinéma, c'est-à-dire un journal de script.
I had a script notebook.
Où je notais en fait des choses qui, souvent par souvenir ou par détail, c'est pour ça qu'il y a beaucoup de détails, les nuages, les gens avec les chaussures, les claquettes et tout ça, je notais les figures comme ça.
Mais quand tu dis figures, ça veut dire
les figures, c'est comme en peinture en fait. Dans la peinture, il y a des figures de nuages, d'églises.
Ah oui, je sais pas comment dire ça en anglais. But anyway, I was noting, writing down everything that I could see that was figures, that was like lines that I could individualize from what I was seeing. And I was noting, he says this afternoon, all the association he would make in his mind with what he was seeing.
Oui, parce qu'à partir de ces nuages, par exemple.
For instance, starting with these clouds.
J'ai commencé même à étudier, c'est une science du 19e géniale, de la science des nuages, le type de nuages,
I even started to study a science based on clouds.
Parce que je m'ennuyais beaucoup devant ces images.
Because it was very boring looking at these images.
Comme mon fils.
Like my son.
Et là, j'ai commencé à voir le film parce que c'est des mouvements, parce que les nuages sortent à droite, rentrent à gauche.
Then I started to see the future film with all these movements, with the clouds going out from the left-hand side or the right-hand side.
Voilà. Après, il y avait bien sûr l'histoire des bateaux, parce que le bateau de pêche, il sort du port, il revient au port, alors que le bateau de commerce traverse le champ, les bateaux militaires sont stables, enfin voilà, j'ai commencé, ça c'était des idées de montage.
And so, and for instance, also with the boats who are fishing, obviously are going out and coming down, coming back. The military, they are staying, and the boats who are having some stuff in it to sell, how do you say, commerce, they go. I mean, they traverse les images, je sais pas comment on dit, they go from point to another in the image.
Après, il y a eu beaucoup de figures populaires que j'aimais beaucoup. C'était les valises à roulettes, les chaussures, justement. Est-ce que c'est des tongs? Est-ce que c'est comme la mode allemande qu'ils ont inventé, des tongs avec des chaussettes?
So I like all the figures, the popular figures, like how people are, all the shoes of the people. For instance, I love the German people with their kind of open shoes like mine, but with socks. It's a very weird habit, a German habit.
Il fallait que je m'occupe en fait.
I had to, yeah, it was boring, so I was looking at all these details.
Ouais.
Mais par rapport au droit d'image et ce que tu disais aussi, l'argent peut-être, les droits d'image, tout ça.
Oui, alors
linked with the right of image, you know, money.
Yeah. Bien sûr, c'était tout de suite la première question, mais que pose aussi mon fils au départ.
It was the first question, and it's a question asked by my son at the beginning of the film.
Et comme le film a tout de suite été produit par Arte, avant que je commence,
And as the film was produced by Arte even before I started the editing,
ils m'ont posé la question.
they asked me the question.
Quel est le problème? Alors j'ai pris une avocate et qui est une amie qui fait des gros trucs de droit d'auteur, et je ne voulais pas que ça me coûte trop d'argent, donc dans une soirée je lui ai dit écoute, j'ai un conseil, enfin j'ai une question à te poser sur le problème.
So I went to see a friend, and she's taking care of droit d'auteur rights, author rights. And in a party, I went straight to her and asked, so I'm going to explain you my problem.
Oui, parce qu'en fait, elle fait aussi les droits d'auteur, par exemple, du Paris Saint-Germain, du Paris Saint-Germain.
Ah ouais.
Des gros trucs.
She's taking care of very, very big things, like Paris Saint-Germain, it's like a Dynamo, quoi. It's a football club.
Et quand je lui ai dit, mais voilà, ce que je fais, comment ça peut, je peux avoir des problèmes?
And he asked, can I have problems doing and using these footages?
Elle a beaucoup rigolé.
She laughed a lot.
Ouais. Parce que le fait que j'enregistre en direct des images sur mon ordinateur,
the fact that I'm taping in live images that are live on my computer.
J'étais l'auteur des images.
So I became the author of the images.
C'est un flou juridique.
It's a juridical blur. I mean, it's.
Il n'y a jamais eu de procès là-dessus.
There have never been any trial.
Voilà. La seule chose qui est justement dans ce flou de la nomination entre ce qui est de l'ordre du public et du privé.
And in this blurry thing, I don't know how to say in English, in between private and public images.
Pour faire rapide, hein, ce que c'est.
He's summarizing.
C'est que même des caméras de surveillance qui sont dans le film, notamment à Nice.
Even some CCTV TV, for instance, in Nice.
Servent aussi bien à l'association de pétanque ou les surfeurs qu'à la police.
Voilà. Are useful for the pétanque association or surfer association. Then for the and the police. So private and public. Mais tu m'as dit que la police se servait.
Non, c'est-à-dire que les mairies.
Ouais.
Parce que mais ça c'est bon.
Ok, c'est trop clair, d'accord. Ok. Non, mais
si ça vous intéresse.
Ouais. Yeah.
Parce qu'en France, pour mettre une caméra de surveillance, il faut demander un accord à la préfecture et à la CNIL, qui est une société qui justement surveille l'utilisation de ces images.
In France, you have to have a camera somewhere. You have to ask to the prefecture. I don't know how to say prefecture. No, it's a big institution, to the authorization to use this, to tape this.
Et donc c'est très lourd pour les mairies.
And it's very heavy for a very heavy administrative thing.
Donc maintenant, elles donnent de l'argent à des associations de tourisme, par exemple, pour mettre les caméras qui font les deux en fait.
Okay, so now they are giving money to associations like Tourism Association or Pétanque or whatever to put the camera, and so it's not for the mairie, and it's for the Pétanque Association, for instance, but then they share the images.
Mais ça change de régime. On n'est plus dans le droit public.
We are not in public anymore. We are in private. So it's people playing with law, not just in Romania, also in French, in France.
C'est légal.
And it's legal. It's a way of. Yeah.
Et après c'est différent, c'est-à-dire que les caméras qui sont posées par justement dans le domaine privé ne peuvent pas être enregistrées.
Oh, yeah.
Alors que dans le domaine public, on peut les enregistrer et garder pendant 30 jours.
Okay.
Voilà. Donc c'est pour ça qu'elles sont en direct. En fait.
Ah, okay. So in public, they can be taped and conserved and stored for 30 days. And in private, you don't have the right, so it can only be live. But then a filmmaker can, in a way, become the creator of the image.
Ouais. Moi, ce que je trouvais intéressant dans ces caméras, what I was thinking this camera is the point of view, la hauteur en fait. It's a new view of image, and it's like a small, un petit dieu quoi.
Like a little god.
Or, yeah.
Tonight I really I saw for the first, I heard for the first time, or maybe the first time I heard it, but I forgot. All the work you have done, the sound work. I mean, it's really,
with the sound, yeah.
It's some huge work.
Yes.
I mean, it's so important.
Yeah, yeah. Oui, je n'ai pas parlé. Yes, because I think in the film there is no sound when I. Des fois, sometimes it's very rare. And for me, I want to make a film like peinture impressionniste, with a little touch like this. And I try to make this with sound because when I am beginning the film, it's the vide.
Emptiness.
And I know I have to le remplir comme ça.
To fill in.
To nourrir, voilà.
To nourish it.
With the sound. And the sound is the same practice of image. I work with a woman. It's called Zoe Shallow. It's students of me after.
She was a student of me.
Yeah. And every day we make a battle with our computer, and we say. On faisait, enfin, je le fasse en français, je préfère les deux. Okay. Sorry, I speak in French, it's very difficult for me after to speak English. Et donc on faisait une bataille où on prenait des plans et chacun, ou le plus rapide, devait sonoriser le plan comme ça.
Oh là là! Ouais. So they were really having fun, huh? In the editing room. So they were making battles and trying to put sound on a scene, and the one who was the fastest on putting the sound on the same scene had won the battle.
Et la seule matière qu'on avait, c'était, on a fait comment on appelle ça, des bandes son, mais aussi on allait chercher surtout sur internet des sons.
The only material that we had was, okay, we had some recording, for instance, the recording live of his apartment when he was taping, and that's how he taped his son, but also some sound that they found on internet,
voilà.
free of rights.
On a fait ça pendant 15 jours, tous les jours.
15 days to every day.
Et après, c'était ne jamais faire la même chose. On ne pouvait pas, ça on l'a déjà fait.
Okay.
C'était toujours...
Then the game was not to doing the same thing again a second time. So, okay, this we have done it already. Voilà. Let's find something.
Donc c'est pour ça qu'il y a des fois des gens qui parlent, mais on trouvait les jeux. Il y a une séquence qui n'est pas dans le film qui est assez drôle, mais enfin, je peux raconter, il y avait des travailleurs comme ça sur la route où il y a une fille qui passe, et les travailleurs avec Zoé, moi j'avais fait cette version, mais elle aussi, on s'est dit, ça doit être comme ça, on en parlait en France, des travailleurs polonais qui viennent, alors on allait chercher sur YouTube des Polonais qui creusent une route.
Okay.
Et
attends, 2 secondes, puisque je ne suis pas traductrice professionnelle. So there's a sequence that is not in the film anymore. CCTV was filming working workers, Polish workers working on the road, and so they decided to go and look on the website, on the net. What?
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
Et on trouvait des travailleurs polonais qui parlaient polonais, okay. Et qui faisaient
et qui faisaient une route.
Ouais,
en plus.
En parlant, en disant oui, mets-le là et tout ça.
Okay, and so they did find some sounds of Polish workers working on the road and talking about their work.
Voilà. Et il y a ça à la fin avec les filles avec leur téléphone, quand c'est dans le noir. En fait, c'est des japonaises qui sont là avec ce jeu qui s'appelle Pokémon, jeu Pokémon.
This is something like that is at the end of the film with these Japanese girls who are playing a Pokemon game.
Pokemon game.
Yeah.
There is a lot of games.
So it was.
There is a lot of yeah.
It was funny to work on this film.
For me, with Zoe, it's for me. I make all is possible in cinema. Tati, there is a lot of Godard. There is a lot of Godard construction. A lot of game.
It was very funny. I really laughed a lot.
I can say for the music it's the same thing. I wrote to a musician, it's an artist, it's called Stéphane Béra, and I don't know si vous avez reconnu les musiques.
Did you recognize the music? Any one of you or not?
Yeah.
You? What?
You.
Which?
I can't give the titles, but they are really well known.
He cannot give the titles, but yes.
En fait, c'est beaucoup de tubes qu'on écoute l'été en vacances.
It's a lot of hits that we are listening in the summer in holidays.
Voilà. Donc, cet artiste musicien, en fait, il prend les fichiers, il les met dans son ordinateur et il change juste les instruments et le rythme. Et d'un seul coup, ça devient une version japonaise. Enfin, on connaît la musique. Par exemple, le premier morceau, c'est Ti Amo. Enfin, je ne sais pas si vous connaissez. Et enfin voilà, il reste une bride de choses qu'on connaît, mais qui est complètement arrangée différemment.
So this artist is doing something with his computer. He puts the music in this computer and he reworks it. He's going plus bas.
Non, il change les instruments.
Oh, he's changing the instruments.
Et le rythme aussi.
And the rhythm and everything. So you can feel a bit the music, the lead, but not exactly how it was. Yeah. So you didn't have right holders problems.
Non.
Of music people around.
C'est du sampler en fait, c'est du sampling.
Ah, oui.
En musique, c'est accepté ça.
Voilà. Ah ok, c'est du sampling, super. Oh, okay. And can you talk a bit about Nathalie Quintan?
Oui.
Because how did you start working with her? We talked about this afternoon already. It's already on the Facebook page, but you surely didn't see it. So.
Oui, pour nourrir le film, je savais qu'il fallait des voix en fait, qu'il fallait qu'il y ait des voix.
To nourish the film, I knew that the film needed voices.
Et il y avait un film qui existait dans les années 70. Important pour moi, qui s'appelle Méditerranée de Jean-Daniel Paulet avec Philippe Solers.
And so there was a film that has been made in the 70s, made by Jean-Daniel Paulet. It's a French director, called Méditerranée, with Daniel Solers. Philippe Solers, pardon. Parce que, voilà, Daniel.
Et là, je me suis dit, pourquoi pas travailler comme ça avec un écrivain.
Okay, and then I thought, okay, maybe, why not working myself too with a writer?
Voilà. Et le film de Jean-Daniel Paulet, c'est vraiment sur une vision de la Méditerranée, de la ruine, de la mythologie grecque, un peu poussiéreuse.
And the film of Jean-Daniel is a vision of Mediterranean with ruins, with dust and quoi? Poussière
ouais, enfin, mythologie.
Ah, mythologie, yeah.
Et j'aime beaucoup cet écrivain qui est très connu en France, qui est Nathalie Quintan, parce qu'elle écrit de la poésie, mais avec des mots comme ça très simples du quotidien et de l'ordinaire.
And I really like this writer, Nathalie Quintan, French writer, because she's writing poetry, but with very everyday words. Yeah.
Voilà. Et donc je l'ai appelé, et je lui ai dit, tu vas être le Philippe Solers de mon film, ce qui l'a beaucoup énervé.
Qui l'a emmerdé?
Ça l'a beaucoup énervé.
Ah ouais. So I called her and said, you are going to be the Philippe Solers of my film, and it really got on her nerves.
Et c'est pour ça qu'elle a accepté.
And that's why she accepted it, obviously. So it was another game. Yes, everybody was playing a game in this film. Okay, I'm going to be your Philippe Solers.
And after it's a friend, Nathalie Quintan, and I want to make a portrait of her.
C'est bien, je sais pas à traduire. Tu parles en anglais, dis donc.
C'est bien.
Wow. I had another question. Oui, en anglais. Oui. I had another question also about, because there are the CCTV images and there are a few images that are not CCTV. The Syrian images and whatever country from Arabic countries. How did they arrive in the project?
Très rapidement aussi, c'est-à-dire que avec ces caméras de surveillance, j'avais en effet beaucoup de mal d'aller de l'autre côté.
This idea came very quickly because with the CCTV cameras, it was very hard to go on the other side of the Mediterranean.
Il en existe un peu au Maroc.
There are a few of them.
Dans les lieux touristiques comme les piscines, je le montre.
In touristical places,
voilà.
Like the ones you have seen.
Et sinon, elles sont de très très mauvaise qualité.
But the other ones are very bad quality.
Ou il n'y en a pas du tout, comme en Libye par exemple.
Or in Libya there is none.
Ou je disais au Liban.
Or in Lebanon,
enfin,
yeah, like we see in the film, yeah.
Voilà. Et en fait, j'ai rencontré une chercheuse à l'HESS à Paris, aux études, qui revenait de Syrie, avait vécu 5-6 ans en Syrie, où elle faisait des ciné-clubs d'ailleurs, dans sa ville et tout ça, et qui, c'est ce que je dis aussi dans le film, pour continuer à avoir des dialogues avec ses amis syriens, diffuser tous ces films faits par donc des révolutionnaires, c'est le début de la révolution en Syrie, qui sont des films, enfin voilà, de ces petits films.
Yeah, and so she was living in Syria. She came back from Syria. She's a researcher in HESS. It's like HESS, c'est comment on l'a expliqué l'école. C'est l'école de hautes études de
sciences sociales.
Sciences sociales, voilà. Et so you understood, okay. And so to keep in contact with her Syrian friends in Syria. In Syria she was also organizing some cine club and everything. And when she came back, she used to receive material from Syria. Pourquoi? Pour leur montrer, j'ai oublié.
Non, pour les montrer ici en
Europe. Oui,
Europe.
pour les montrer, oui, c'est ça. To show the material from people she knew in Europe.
Pour montrer ce qui se passait.
What is really happening there.
Et
toi, tu les as vus à ce
moment-là? Non, et elle me les envoyait directement, régulièrement, comme ça.
And she was sending these images to Jean-Marc very regularly, but because she knew that you were doing this film and that you were interested by this or not?
Non, pas au début, non.
No, at the beginning it was just like that. She was sending these images to you like to lots of people.
Yeah.
It was not for the film. Yeah.
Au début, non.
Yeah.
Et après, en fait, c'est là où le film s'est fait, c'est avec Nathalie, dans cette écriture de fiction. Est-ce qu'on peut aller de l'autre côté? Ça veut dire passer par l'Algérie. Enfin, voilà, comment on a mis, ça c'est un côté un peu fiction, j'aurais pu aller de l'autre côté.
And then with Nathalie, we decided to use these images, especially when we started to write something that is fictionalized, because obviously he could have gone on the other side, but he decided not to.
Voilà, et pour moi c'était, puisque vous avez vu que c'est une question du cinéma en fait qui est posée.
You have understood that in this film it's a question of cinema that is asked.
Voilà, et que j'ai fait un film de 1h20 pour montrer 3-4 petits films de cinéma en fait.
Et là, oui. So I made a film of an hour and 20 minutes to show 3 or 4 little films of cinema.
Parce que ces 3 petits films ont vraiment la force du cinéma, parce qu'ils sont faits dans l'urgence, dans la crise et dans les faits absolument.
Because these little films have this strength because they are done in emergency and in crisis. Yeah.
Et que toute l'autre production d'images qui vient de ce côté-là produit de l'ennui, comme dit mon fils.
And all the other productions of images from our side is only producing boredom, like his son is saying in the film.
Et ça, c'est une vraie motivation de réalisateur de penser qu'on fait un film avec 3 films d'1 minute, mais qu'il faut mettre dans 1h30.
And it was a really motivation as a filmmaker to think that I'm doing a film of an hour and 20 minutes. Attends, oui c'est ça, t'as compris, enfin bref. He was repeating himself, and I'm very tired. But, non, tu l'avais déjà dit un peu avant, tu as dit 3 minutes. He did this film for these three little pieces of 1 minute little films that are cinema films for him.
C'est la question du cinéma en fait.
It's a question of cinema.
Pourquoi on fait un acte de cinéma, c'est très important.
Why are we making an act of cinema, talking about the Syrian people? Yeah.
That's all.
Yes, since the beginning it's a question. Since what you told me about this Mexico thing.
I want to.
Yeah, but they are shy. They don't dare. Please. Or what? Nobody dares? Si?
Si on vous demandait en fait de choisir un message à travers ce documentaire en une phrase, est-ce que vous pourriez le formuler?
Ah, mais si la phrase que je peux vous dire, c'est le film a fait ma phrase en fait. C'est marrant parce que Frédéric Wiseman dit souvent ça, c'est on fait un film d'1h20 pour justement dire que ça se dit pas en une phrase, que c'est un film doit donner en fait au spectateur la phrase qu'il veut entendre en fait. Il en dit plusieurs, ce film, peut-être même des fois ça peut être paradoxal ou contradictoire entre vous, et que je pense que c'est pas moi ce que j'ai dit un peu avant sur cette question du cinéma, ça pourrait résumer un peu cette volonté de vouloir faire des films, parce que là il y avait un enjeu de cinéma. Mais après, sur si la question, pour résumer un film, sur ce qu'il dit, c'est le film qui le dit. Je ne sais pas ce que je dis derrière. Enfin, où je pourrais dire une phrase qui me vient.
Je sais plus comment tu as commencé.
Non, ma mère. C'est compliqué. Ce que j'ai dit.
I forgot that I had to translate. You translate?
Ça répond à la question
non.
ou tu...
You translate?
One question. I was
Yeah, but I
sorry.
have to translate.
But one.
No?
C'est tout long.
Okay.
Ouais, question. I want your question.
Okay. We don't translate. Sorry.
J'ai senti, qu'est-ce qu'ils veulent que je peux dire en français?
Ouais.
Non, mais les autres ne comprennent pas, il faut parler en anglais.
I could translate, or I will try in English. It's very complicated for me, but I will try.
In
It was
English.
very sensitive, the film, and it was so much emotion inside, even in the frames that you try to make really like a computer symmetry and everything. And when I always understood later, and I had a safety in the image that I will find a way in a film. And you said earlier in our today Q&A, in the interview, that you choose the edit. When you talk about a film, you choose to talk about editing, and you prefer this. And I want to ask you, if you had in your table, in your editing room, a schedule already, or you discover it on your way doing it, like
Côté sketch, je dis.
tu as eu un programme de montage premièrement, or you find it in your way, like a living person, like the living person that you talk in this film?
Yeah. Non, j'ai mis 3 ans à make. Enfin, this is 3 years to make this film, because we have to writing a lot of dossier for CNC to have money. And my producer, I say, I write something, but it's not the film. If it's a film, you can take another filmmaker, you make it, but me, it's not the finality to make a story. But it's important, en effet, to réfléchir.
to think.
To things. To things. What you the structure, the dramatic narration, all of this. And after, it's 1 hour all the day for editing. It's very long. And I've got, generally I'm an editor of my film, but there is a money of CNC, Arte, and it's necessary to have professional editing. And I work 1 month with a professional, very good editor. He work with Chris Marker, and I make a depression after 3 months with him. Because je suis un monteur, because I'm working with sensation feelings. There is quand j'enregistrais
When I was taping,
les images en direct, je faisais beaucoup d'aquarelles, de dessins.
I was drawing too, aquarelle.
Voilà, beaucoup. C'est une technique que je connaissais pas. J'ai beaucoup aimé à faire de l'aquarelle.
I really liked to do aquarelle.
Et à un moment, dans le montage, j'ai sorti toutes mes aquarelles et j'ai fait mon montage comme ça.
And at a certain point during the editing, I took all the aquarelle, and chaque aquarelle était un moment à peu près.
Ouais,
each aquarelle was corresponding to a shot, and I took everything and I started to do the editing like that.
Voilà, parce que je me suis dit que si j'avais fait ces aquarelles, c'est que j'aimais bien. Alors les aquarelles, c'était je peignais ce que je voyais.
And so I was thinking if I had to do this aquarelle, it was for a purpose.
Voilà. Et donc j'ai trouvé la structure un peu comme ça.
And I have found the structure like that with my aquarelle, with doing a big puzzle and arranging it.
Parce que c'était les lumières. Je savais qu'il y avait une période l'été, il y avait des périodes de fin d'hiver que j'aimais beaucoup.
There was I was playing with the lights, the light of the winter, the light of the summer.
Et quand je vois le film, là, j'étais très content de le revoir. Je pense qu'il reste ça pour moi, c'est des sensations de lumière en fait, beaucoup plus.
And I'm very happy I have seen the film tonight again. And for me, what remains is all these feelings of lights, of different lights, and it's important for me.
Voilà. Donc il n'y a pas de règles, c'est assez irrationnel la façon de travailler.
There is no rules. It's a bit irrational the way of working. But you can say that you work by associations and by it's you are able to listen to what association you are doing on the spot. You know, some people are just des associations entre deux images, entre une image et qu'est-ce que ça fait penser et tout. So it's really instinctive, even if you thought a lot of it, obviously for 3 years. But then when you are there, you forget everything and you are just with the matière, the material.
Oui. Oui. C'est-à-dire que dans mon livre, quand je note mes figures comme ça, je note aussi mais ça c'est par le souvenir, c'est souvent le lendemain ou 2 jours après, des plans qui me restent dans la tête, donc je sais qu'ils sont importants.
Okay. In my notebook, for instance, I write down sometimes 2 days after having seen the shot and taped it. What shot remains, and if I need to write something about a shot, it means that it's important for the film.
Voilà. Par exemple, il y a un de mes plans préférés qui est à la fin où c'est les enfants qui sont sur un muret, qui écoutent de la musique, comme un rendez-vous amoureux.
For instance, at the end of the film, there is this shot with 2 little children listening on a little wall and are listening to music, like a loving meeting.
Et quand j'ai vu ce plan-là, je me suis vu moi pareil. Et je pense qu'il y a beaucoup de gens qui ont fait ça. On est dans un village et on se donne rendez-vous avec une amoureuse et on va écouter de la musique à l'écart.
And when I saw this this shot, I thought of myself when I was younger and when you are in a village and you have a date with a woman, with a little girl, and so I thought of myself.
Et ça, c'est des plans que j'ai vus en direct où j'ai ressenti partager
So
ça.
I saw this in live and I felt what I felt.
Voilà. Donc je mets un petit signe, j'explique, et puis je sais qu'il faut qu'il soit absolument dans le film, dans cette sensation-là.
Yeah, and so I write down on my notebook and I explain what I feel and little sign, and I know that it has to be in the film.
Et j'espère après que vous pouvez les partager. C'est
And
pas
then I
sûr.
hope that maybe it will arrive, get to you, and that you will share something with these images. Yeah, but your story.
Et après, il y avait quelques plans où il y avait des événements. Ils sont pratiquement tous dans le film, c'est-à-dire l'araignée, l'hélicoptère, le parachutiste.
And so there are a few shots where there are events, like the spider, the helicopter, the guy in his parachute thing, you know. Yeah, so arriving on the beach.
Voilà. Quand l'araignée, ma famille m'attendait pour déjeuner, dîner, pardon, on me disait qu'est-ce que tu fais? Je dis non, et je suis descendu en disant venez voir ce que j'ai trouvé. Ça
For the spider, her family was telling him come and eat, it's dinner time, and he was no, come, all of you come, look what I have found, and they came to see the spider.
Comme un événement. Alors donc
It's a big
après
event.
la joie de l'enregistrement, je me dis bon, faut que ce soit dans le film aussi.
After the joy of recording this spider, he had to put it in the film.
Voilà.
It's a great moment. Everybody can relate. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. It's finished. Another question.
Yes.
Okay.
It's short, but what about the zooms? Were they man-made? Why did the cameras zoom at a certain point? Were they operated?
Sorry. All the camera is automatic. There is no one zoom. And all the special image, like l'image renversée in the Marseille, this is the camera makes this. It's not me. This is another figure I write is for me it's called, I call video art. So like the camera, Soviet camera make arts, flu, the blood, and that, at the beginning, les caméras, this camera is automatic, mais des fois elles sont déréglées.
Sometimes they are not working well.
Ouais. Et j'aimais beaucoup ça.
And I really liked it when it got crazy.
Yeah.
So also the colors and all the intervention was natural, right?
So all the colors and all the what? Because it's I know it's not anymore filmed, so it's okay. I see it's filmed. So colors and what?
So also the colors, I mean the black and white, the
Black and white.
Yeah, it's natural.
Everything is.
Everything, yeah. L'étalonnage, comment on dit?
Grading.
The grading, we have got 5 days to make the grading, and it's a friend, and we make 1 hour.
What? 1 hour?
2 hours to speak and whatever. Yeah.
So you work a lot on the grading.
Yeah, I want to have the aspect of computer, and it's good image. It's no necessary. Et comme j'ai monté, justement, on revient à ça, avec les saisons et les couleurs, il y avait très peu de raccords lumière.
And because I really edited thinking of the seasons and the colors, they weren't the raccord couleur in the grading room, in the grading moment. Sometimes we decide if a scene is edited after another scene with not the same color, for instance, or light, and we want it not to be obvious. So the work in the grading step is to harmonize so that you don't see the difference. For instance, I explain for the people who don't know what is grading, basics of grading. but you also can decide that it's going to be very clear that it's 2 moments different or what, you know. But anyway, he worked, he edited, thinking of the seasons, and so there was no work of grading to do because everything was already done during the editing. Yeah. Jean-Marc, if there is no more question. If you wanted to know many, many other things, we talked with Jean-Marc for roughly an hour and a half this afternoon, and it was on live on Facebook, on our Facebook page, but obviously now it's still there, so you can learn more. That's why it's a bit hard for us, because we talked already a lot. So about the genesis of the film, how you started, maybe you don't want to answer to these questions again. I mean, you know, no, it's your too.
Si, je peux dire une chose. Ma première idée pour le film, my first idea to make this film, it's autour a book de Michel de Montaigne. It's called Voyage en Italie, and it's the first book who make tourism situation, and the film is expression of observation. It's a situation of observation, and when I was in my computer, I'm like a tourist in my office, but I am in Greece too, and you have to read this book. It's called Voyage en Italie. It's a fabulous book for the experience of observation when you are a stranger. And Montaigne say, how do I say it in French? C'est impossible in English. Il dit que en fait c'est parce qu'on est face à un étranger qu'on justement on prend conscience en fait de ce qu'on est nous-mêmes en fait.
Because we are in front of a stranger, we become conscious of what we are.
C'est peut-être la phrase du film.
Maybe it's the sentence of the film. Yeah, it's true.
Merci.
Yeah, we thank you very much. We are very, very fortunate to having you in Bucharest.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very happy to be in a cinema with a collective experience. It's incredible. Because things, 1 an, no, 7 months I don't make this. It's wherefore I stay to the film, to see the film. It's a good experience to the film façon collective.
Yeah, because the cinema should be collective.
This is invention. The Lumière make a collective situation.
Yeah.
This is important, more important.
Yeah. Let's hope.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I have to smoke now.
Yeah. Merci. Thank you. Maintenant, tu vas la finir, quoi. Oh.
J'en ai un autre, mais